Welcome to the wonderful farm, where every day is full of fun and adventure. Look around. We have got everything you'd see on a farm. A cozy farmhouse, a tall windmill, a big red barn, and Farmer Joe driving his tractor, getting ready for the day. But the best part of this farm, it's all the amazing animals that live here. Let's go meet them one by one. Here's Daisy the cow. She's big, gentle, and loves munching on green grass. Daisy gives us fresh milk every day, which we use to make yummy cheese butter and ice cream. Can you say moo moo like Daisy? And look, it's Henny the hen. She's always busy laying eggs. Her eggs are perfect for making breakfast. Henny goes cluck cluck to let everyone know she's working hard. Meet Silky the Sheep. She's soft and fluffy, and her wool keeps us warm in the winter. She loves to play and hop around. Can you say ba-ba like Silky? That's Red the rooster. He's the farm's alarm clock, waking everyone up with his loud cock-a-doodle-doo every morning. Thanks to Red, the farm is always up bright and early. Here's Oinky the Pig. He loves rolling in the mud and finding yummy treats. Pigs are super smart and always curious. Oinky's sound is oink oink. Can you say it? This is Danny the donkey. He's strong and helps Farmer Joe carry things across the farm. Danny's loud hee-haw makes everyone smile. And here's Bella the horse. She loves to run fast across the fields and sometimes helps Farmer Joe with plowing. Bella's neigh-neigh is her way of saying hello. Meet Rusty the dog. He's always ready to play and help round up the sheep. Rusty is friendly and loyal, and he barks woof woof to protect the farm. And this is Whiskers the cat. She's clever, quick, and loves to nap in the sun. Whiskers keeps the barn safe from little critters. Can you hear her meow meow? Wow! What a fun day meeting all the animals on the farm! From Daisy the cow to Rusty the dog, each animal helps make this farm special. Thanks for visiting the wonderful farm. See you next time for more adventures.